The ThermoPro TP16 digital thermometer could be the culinary sidekick that helps many home cooks feel more confident in the kitchen. Equipped with a large display and a straightforward setup, it aims to make temperature checks less of a guessing game. No psychic powers required. Some might find the alarm function helpful for setting clear reminders, though others may prefer quieter cooking if the beep feels a bit bold. The attached probe works with various meats, casseroles, or even baked goods, aiming to keep surprises at bay when that timer goes off. A sturdy cable leads from the main unit to the probe, which can stand up to most oven-based adventures without turning into spaghetti. There's even a countdown or count-up feature designed to remind users when it's time to check on that slow roast. At around oven height, the device is relatively compact, saving countertop space for the rest of the cooking chaos. Whether someone prefers a perfect medium-rare steak or wants to avoid setting off the smoke detector, again, this thermometer offers a potentially handy solution. Its straightforward design, combined with the wide temperature range, may appeal to those who want a more reliable read on their meals. Ultimately, it's up to each cook to decide if this particular kitchen helper suits their style and appetite for precision. Well, I have my chef's hat and apron ready. Now it's time to start cooking like Julia. Bon appetit, y'all.